Bolos de Bacalhau, also known as codfish fritters, are one of Portugal's most iconic and beloved snacks. Crispy on the outside and soft and savory on the inside. These golden delights are perfect served hot or cold as appetizers or part of a light meal. Codfish fritters, 500 grams of boiled potatoes, 400 grams of cooked cod, 20 milliliters of olive oil, 4 eggs, salt and pepper to taste, fresh parsley, oil for frying. Mash the boiled potatoes until a smooth puree. Shred the cooked cod, removing any skin and bones, using a clean cloth to help flake it finely. Add the shredded cod and chopped parsley to the mashed potatoes. Add the eggs one at a time, mixing thoroughly between each addition. Season with pepper and adjust the salt to taste. Knead the mixture until smooth. Using 2 tablespoons, shape the mixture into oval fritters. Heat the oil. When hot, fry the fritters until golden brown. Remove and drain on absorbent paper. Serve hot or cold. Bolos de Bacalhau are the definition of comfort food in Portuguese cuisine. Whether part of a festive gathering or a simple snack, they always bring joy to the table. Faça e coma!